Hi there. So in this video I will show you how to reset this oil change interval. Okay, so to do this, put the contact but do not touch the pedal, so you do not start your engine. Mine already went to this, but you will probably be somewhere in this menu or something. So you need to go to car, and in here service interval display, and rotate this so you go lower and click on it. Do you want to reset oil service interval? Yes. And that's about it. Mine was already reset by the guys that changed the oil, but this is the procedure they followed. And for me, I will also need to reset this thing. And that will be a separate video if you also need to do that. Link is in the description.